When you first open the program, you will notice that almost all the icons are grayed out, and when you click on them, nothing happens. That's because there's nothing on the screen for them to affect. For example, you can't save something when there's nothing on the screen. You can't print it and you can't draw on it. So you need to open an image, and open image is highlighted so you can open an image. I'm just going to grab an image here. Now you'll notice that many more of the icons are highlighted because you can now save this image, print this image, or draw upon this image. Now that I've brought an object to the screen, you can see all the icons are now highlighted except Pattern Library. Pattern Library requires a defined area on the background image, which is not relevant at this time. So I'm going to get rid of that, so I can hit the X here. So you notice when you put your mouse over an icon, it has a flyout that gives you an idea of what it does. Also down here at the bottom, if you watch, let's close that there, you'll notice that it gives you a clue also. Pretty much says the same thing, but it's not going to teach you how to use the tool. To do that, what you want to do is go over here to the help icon. When you click on it, you notice that your cursor has a little question mark next to it. I'm going to click on the Define Area tool, which is the drawing tool, and it brings up a training movie. Now this movie can be moved anywhere on the screen by clicking on it and dragging it. If you have two monitors, you can place it over on another monitor. You can make the movie larger by going to the corner handles here and dragging it. When you hit play, the movie will start playing, and you can fast forward by dragging this slider to the right. It goes forward in time, and then hit play again. To close the movie, once you've watched it, you hit the red X in the upper right hand corner. The program also comes with tutorial movies. To access those, go up here to Training and click on Tutorial Movies. You will find there are 7 movies here. First time you watch them in order. After that, if you just want a refresher to see how you would add Soldier Course borders, you could just click on number 4 and that movie will open and start playing. To close this interface, you just click the red X in the upper right hand corner. You can also access all the training movies by going up here to Training and click on All Movies. From this interface, they're organized by File, Edit, View, Area, Object, and Tools. Then you have the tutorial movies, so you can access those from this interface, and the advanced movies are also here. To close this interface, you hit the red X in the upper right hand corner. We also have the advanced movies as a separate interface. So when you go here to Training and click on Advanced, you'll get this interface here which has the advanced training movies. To close this, hit the red X in the upper right hand corner. Well, that's about all you need to know to get started. So my recommendation is after this movie is done, you will close it, open up the program, and then go here to Training and then click on Tutorial Movies and watch those movies first. After you've watched those movies, you would want to go back in and watch the movie on the Define Area tool, which is your drawing tool. You need to understand how to use that, and the Pattern Library icon. This is where all the action takes, where you're able to place in decorative concrete, change the perspective, put in Soldier Course, and all that is used with this tool. So it's very important that you watch that training movie. Okay, well, go sell some decorative concrete.